Okay, kids, do not try this at home. Trying to take off the ebrake cable. I disconnected it from the bottom. There's a nut on the other side of this. Despite the rust, it came off pretty easy. Fairly easy. I'm just gonna put it back. No, I gotta feed that through somehow. So. I don't know, I'll leave it there for now. This can stay with the cab. This is one of the squeezy deals, kind of meant to be put on one time. Just keep from the back, just keep squeezing and fighting with it, and 2 to 3 days you'll be able to get that out. Or of course, if you're not planning to reuse it, just throw it out or just cut it. You're gonna want to go easy. Just keep on trying to loosen the line from the fitting. I don't know why I'm trying to save this. You could just cut it, but I'm weird that way. Both of these. Could try some heat here, but I don't know. Keep fighting with it. Spend a few minutes on it, then I'll probably cut it. But you see what's going on? I'm loose from the proportioning valve block thing, but I'm not loose, at least I don't think, from the brake line. Probably just end up twisting that off, but and getting a new one. But I'll try for now. It looks like it is possible. It is moving. Are you getting that? Looks like it. Great success. Patience rarely rewards, but in this case, it did. Come to Papa. Come on. Oh, who left that on? Oh, Juan. Enchanté. Well, hello to you. Fair. I'm vertical. Yourself? Good. Good news, I hope. Yeah. Okay, that was Juan. Just checking in. It's nice when friends just check in. Oh, I think I heard. Woo! We should get something under that. Other than a rag. Stay. Oh, I don't see a problem here. Not at all. More money. Okay, what we've all been waiting for. 5/8. Too easy. What's going on inside? Next. Oh, come on. I'm trying to look cool in front of my friends. 13/16. Easy, right? Ooh. Oh, excuse me. Oh, mother. Oh, I mean, this is not hard at all. So powerful. Excuse me. What's going on underneath? Can you let me know? Oh, the nut is spinning, you mean? Yay! Do you think GM made that the same size? Oh, of course they didn't. And why would they? I have it every size. No. Wait a minute. What for? Oh. Oh, of course I brought a 7/8 first time. Oh, perfect. Oh, there she goes. Of course, you can't see anything. Because there's a socket on there. But it's doing something. Woo! Almost got her. I'm not tired. No, I'm not winded. No. Great shape. Doesn't affect me at all. See? Easy peasy. Back. Woo. 100% reusable. Nothing wrong with it. Where'd the nut go? Oh. Nothing wrong with that mount. What do they say? Factory. I can't tell if you're in focus. It'll have to be. Last thing on my list, fuel. I thought I had it. I didn't. Oh. Okay. You're definitely not in frame now. Or are you? But disconnect the fuel. Come on. Oh, yay. Woo. Oh, that stinks. Oh, yes. Pour more out. Okay. By my calculations, this cab is no longer connected to this frame. Don't have a lot to jack onto. Cab is mostly rust and spray foam, but you're seeing it as I'm seeing it. Whoa. Things are happening. How far can I take this? Are you still seeing it? No. Let's bring you up a bit. Focus you. Couple incherinos. Something looks, yeah, something's tight. I disconnected the speedometer from the transmission, but it's just tucked into the, there's a little doohickey on the frame yet. I'll free that up. Okay, speedometer cable is dangling. Up we go. Nice and easy. Kinda, sorta. I wouldn't use a brick, but you get the idea. So the cab is completely off of the frame. So now what? Tune in next week when you hear your host say, okay kids, do not try this at home. I have many years of experience of dropping things on my head and other people's heads. So it goes without saying, I am not a rigger, clearly. Do not copy this. But you know, find your own way to get it off. We do what we can. I need to adjust. I'm still too far to the back. But it's coming up, it's just all the weight's on the front. So I missed some footage, but it worked. The truck is halfway in the garage and cab is on the ground. It was exciting. Well, it was a bit of a cluster, if you know what I mean. But cab is off. Alright, next video. Thanks for watching.